Tell our viewers why they should watch these videos. If you want to learn to create and deploy your own AI assets, these videos are for you.
There are 5 forces behind every message that moves people: a sales message, a web page, an email. 1, attention. 2, interest. 3, desire. 4, conviction. 5, the close. Now pause. Did this video get your attention? Did it create interest? Your next video needs to focus on getting your visitors' attention. The proof is simple. You're still here, you're watching. That's not theory, that's behavior. Hello, I'm Paul Darby's avatar. And while I'm here sharing what's actually working online, Paul is behind the scenes vibe coding AI apps and pressure testing ideas in real time. These videos exist for one reason: to show you how influence really works and how to apply it without hype, noise, or gimmicks. If you're interested in being inside the room where this is built live, if you want to attend hands-on labs with sharp, curious operators and walk away from every session with AI assets you actually own, come see what we're building. www.theaiexperience.info. Watch what happens when understanding replaces guessing.